Hi, folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is from Nixplay.com, and this is the Nixplay Seed Wi-Fi Cloud Frame. We've viewed a number of the products from Nixplay over the years. Be sure to search for them on the Chris Voss Show, and you can check it out there. Now, this thing's pretty interesting. It comes with an app that you can find on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and it's a high-resolution IPS display that allows photos to be enjoyed looking good. It comes in a variety of different colors you can get. What's even cool, it has a beautiful way it stands itself, either landscape or horizontal, using the cable that comes out of it as part of the stand. It's pretty smart in the design that way. It's all-in-one where you can upload your photos from your computer or tablet or access your social media platforms. Geez, you can use the Facebook, Google Photos, Instagram, Dropbox, Flickr, basically be able to pull your photos from there and make these beautiful cloud frames work, if you will. It's got playlists you can take and make where you can create playlists of all your favorite moments in any combination to display in your frames. And of course, you can choose what to view, manage, and adjust in playlist settings for family photos that you want to share with other parts of your family on maybe their devices as well. Nixplay Cloud, it's got safe and secure. You can enjoy 10 gigabytes of free cloud storage and the ability to connect up to 5 of their frames. So how's that for pretty cool? You can share it across the frames and get everyone to see all your family photos. The control and manage settings give you a variety of frame settings to suit your preferences. You've got shuffle photos, display, most recent photo transitions, which is cool. There's a whole mess of photo transitions, and clock. Anyway, I highly recommend them. They're just some amazing products, and they work really well. And for what they get out of them, they're very inexpensive. So be sure to check them out. The nice thing about the Nixplay Seed is it also evidently works with Amazon Alexa as well. So there you go. Anyway, appreciate you tuning in. Be sure to go to Nixplay.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. We'll see you next time.